Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
Hi, friends. It's so good to have you here with us again.
I'm MonaLisa.
And I'm Napoleon. And today, we're going to talk about something that makes people smile, kindness.
I love this topic. Kindness is such a small word, but it has a big meaning.
Absolutely. One kind act can change someone's whole day.
So, Napoleon, if someone asked you, what is kindness, what would you say?
For me, kindness means caring about others and trying to make life a little easier or happier for them.
That's beautiful. I think kindness also means understanding.
Yes, like when you see someone sad and you take a minute to ask, "Are you okay?"
Exactly. You don't have to fix everything. Just being there is already kindness.
Do you think people are born kind or they learn to be kind?
Ooh, interesting question. I think everyone has kindness inside. It's like a seed.
Yes, but we need to water it, right?
Yes, we water it by doing kind things.
I love that idea. If kindness is a seed, then our actions are the water and sunshine.
That's so poetic, Napoleon. You should write a book.
Maybe one day. Napoleon's Guide to Kindness.
And I'll write the foreword. But seriously, kindness makes the world calmer.
Yes. Sometimes when we watch the news, everything looks scary. Problems, arguments, wars.
True, but kindness reminds us that there is still goodness in the world.
I've noticed something. When someone treats me kindly, I naturally want to do something kind for another.
That's the magic of kindness. It spreads like a wave.
You know, my grandmother used to say, "Napoleon, if you want to be rich, give kindness away. It always comes back more."
Oh, I love your grandmother already. That's such wise advice.
What about you, MonaLisa? Who taught you about kindness?
My father, he used to help strangers on the street, people he didn't even know. Once he helped push a broken car out of traffic. I asked him why he did that, and he said, because if that was me, I'd want help too.
That's empathy, feeling what others feel.
Exactly. Kindness starts with empathy.
So today, friends, as you listen, maybe think of one person who showed you kindness recently.
Yes, and maybe you can do the same for someone else later.
Let's dive deeper. Why does kindness matter so much?
Let's talk about that next. Napoleon, I want to start this section with a question.
Okay, shoot.
Why do you think kindness is so important, especially today?
Because people are busy, tired, or stressed. A little kindness can light up a dark day.
Yes, in today's world, everyone moves so fast that we forget to slow down and care.
I think kindness reminds us that we're all connected. Even if we come from different countries, cultures, or languages, we all understand a smile.
That's true. Kindness is a universal language.
Exactly. You don't need to speak English, Khmer, or French to show kindness. You just show it with your actions.
Like helping an old man carry a heavy bag. No translation needed.
Or giving your seat to someone on the bus. Small acts, big hearts.
Yes, and kindness also helps you.
How so?
Well, scientists say when you do something kind, your brain releases happy chemicals.
Oh, like little kindness fireworks in your brain.
Exactly. You feel proud, calm, and more satisfied.
You know, one time I paid for a stranger's coffee at the cafe.
That's so sweet. What happened?
The man looked shocked. He smiled and said, "Why?" I said, because someone did that for me once.
Oh, that's perfect. Kindness circles back.
And that day, I was smiling for hours. It was such a small thing, but it made me happier than anything money can buy.
That's the magic we're talking about. Kindness gives joy to both sides.
I also noticed something. When I'm kind, I stop thinking only about my problems.
Yes, your focus changes from me to we.
Friends, if you're feeling sad or lonely, try helping someone. You'll see how much lighter you feel.
That's wonderful advice.
Do you think kindness changes society?
Absolutely. Every big change starts with small, kind actions. If everyone does one kind thing each day, we'll have millions of smiles.
I'd love to live in that world.
Me too, Napoleon, and together we can build it, one kind act at a time.
So, what kinds of kindness exist, MonaLisa? I mean, not all kindness looks the same.
True, there are many forms. Let's explore a few.
Okay, first, kindness with words.
Like saying good job or you look nice today.
Yes, compliments are small gifts that cost nothing,
Second, kindness with actions.
such as helping your mom at home or holding the door for someone.
Third, kindness with time.
That's a big one. Spending time with an elderly neighbor or listening to a friend who feels sad.
Yes, sometimes people don't need advice, just your presence.
Fourth, kindness to the planet.
Ooh, yes. Recycling, planting trees, saving electricity, that's kindness to nature.
And don't forget, kindness to animals.
I love that. Feeding stray cats or giving water to a thirsty dog.
The next one is my favorite, self-kindness.
Very important. People often forget to be kind to themselves.
Right. We speak kindly to others, but say mean things to ourselves.
Yes, we should treat ourselves like a good friend.
Good idea. Say, it's okay, instead of, I'm stupid.
You see, kindness is everywhere, in your words, actions, and thoughts.
Even in how you think about people. If you wish someone well, that's also kindness.
True. A kind heart makes kind eyes.
Nicely said.
Maybe we should remind our listeners, kindness doesn't have to be big. Even saying thank you is a great start.
Yes, kindness isn't about money, it's about care.
I like that. Kindness isn't money, it's care.
Maybe that's our podcast slogan for the day.
MonaLisa, I love hearing kindness stories. Do you have one?
Yes, I have a few. Here's one. When I was traveling, I lost my wallet at a train station. I was worried sick, but later that day, a young man found me and gave it back. Every card, every coin, all there.
Wow, that's amazing. He could easily keep the money, but he chose honesty and kindness.
Yes, and I never saw him again, but that moment stayed in my heart forever.
I have one too. Once, I saw a street cleaner working during heavy rain. Everyone walked past him. I went to a shop and bought him a cup of hot tea. When I gave it to him, his eyes filled with tears.
That's so touching, Napoleon. Sometimes small things can change someone's day, even their faith in people.
Exactly. And that's what kindness does. It reminds people they are not invisible.
Yes, everyone wants to feel seen and valued.
Have you ever seen kindness between strangers?
Oh, yes. Once I saw a young man give his lunch to a homeless person. Then he sat down and talked with him instead of just walking away. That conversation, that connection, that's kindness.
I love that. because true kindness respects others, not just helps.
Beautifully said.
Friends listening, think about your own kindness story. Maybe it's something small, like someone holding an umbrella for you.
Or maybe you gave your seat to someone. Every kindness counts. Write it down. You'll realize you're richer than you think.
Yes, a kindness diary. I like that.
Let's get practical. How can our listeners bring more kindness into daily life?
Great idea. Let's brainstorm.
Okay, number 1. Say thank you with a smile.
Number 2, write nice messages to friends, even short ones.
Number 3. Say something kind about someone behind their back.
Oh, that one's powerful. Gossip kindness instead of gossip drama.
Number 4. Help a family member with chores.
Number 5, offer directions to someone who looks lost.
Number 6. Be kind online. Use your words to support, not hurt.
Great one. Kindness on the internet is just as important as in real life.
Number 7. Don't interrupt when someone is talking. Let them finish.
Number 8, give honest compliments. Say, you make me smile.
Number 9. Share what you have, even just your time.
And number 10, smile more often. Smiles are free and contagious.
That's a fantastic list.
Maybe our listeners can choose 2 or 3 of them to practice this week.
Yes, start small, but do it often.
Kindness becomes a habit with repetition.
And remember, you'll never regret being kind.
Exactly. But you might regret being unkind.
That's deep. Let's tattoo that on our hearts.
Yes, we'd have "Be kind always" written right there.
This part is very special to me. Kindness to yourself.
Yes, people sometimes forget they also need kindness from themselves.
For example, when you make a mistake, don't say, "I'm stupid." Say, "I'm learning."
Good point. Being kind to yourself means using gentle words, not angry ones.
Also, give yourself time to rest. Don't feel guilty if you relax.
Right. You can't pour from an empty cup.
What's your favorite way to be kind to yourself, Napoleon?
I like taking quiet walks with music. It gives me peace.
That's nice. I love journaling, writing down my thoughts and gratitude.
Gratitude is a form of kindness too, saying thank you to life.
True. When we appreciate what we have, we feel kind toward the world.
And toward ourselves too, because when you recognize your own efforts, you give yourself love.
Friends, try this. Before sleeping, say 3 kind things about yourself.
Example, I worked hard today. I helped someone. I took care of myself.
Perfect. It's like charging your kindness battery.
I love that phrase.
So, remember, kindness begins within. Once your heart is full, it overflows to others.
Beautifully said, MonaLisa.
Wow, what a wonderful journey today, from understanding kindness to living it.
Yes, I feel lighter just talking about it.
Me too. That's what kindness does. It lifts us up.
Let's remind our listeners, kindness doesn't need money, fame, or big gestures.
Just a willing heart.
A kind person sees with their heart, not just their eyes.
Yes, and when you focus on kindness, you always find good things around you.
Friends, as you go through your week, try one act of kindness every day. It can be small, like smiling, helping, or listening.
And don't forget self-kindness too. Take a break, forgive yourself, and breathe.
You are already enough.
You are valuable.
And you have the power to make a difference with kindness.
So let's all repeat today's closing line together. Be kind whenever you can, and you always can.
Thank you for joining us on the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share your own kindness story.
We'd love to read them. Maybe we'll share some in our next episode.
Until next time, stay gentle and stay kind. Bye-bye, everyone.